happiness. So first thing we would like to know, can you please introduce yourself and the role in this organization?
This is Agile Software, and me and my brother, we are the people who have started this company in the year back 1999. So almost close to 25 years now. And the primary function that we started the company was marketing the Tally product. See, way back in those days, buying a little software was not the culture in our India. Most of us are used to buy any pirated. Buy in sense, we get it almost free. On
Crack versions.
Today, if you have seen it, many people are also using Windows operating system as a crack. So the same was with our Tally also. So taking it up challenge and trying to educate people the purpose of using the licensed software. So it has been a long journey, making people understand the purpose. And today, yes, with God's grace, nobody even talked to me about the piracy of Tally. So that is the level of, so it has been a very long, hard task. You have to make people buy something which is available to them for free. It is.
What are the primary product and services offered by Agile Software?
The focus is only on the one product, and the purpose with which we started is Tally. That's the accounting and inventory software. That's the primary. Whatever else we do it is around Tally. That means a Tally customer, while he is using the Tally software, he may require some of the other small things. For example, now Tally is a desktop software. If you want to see the same data on your mobile, the third party has developed mobile app for Tally. When the data gets synced and you can see your same data on the mobile. Easy for an entrepreneur. If he is not able to sit down in his office, he will not be able to connect it to his data. Or after going back home, you want to know today's what is the sales, what is the collection. So, like this, there are another couple of things that we do. Otherwise, it is the.
So, what are the features and functionalities this Tally software gives to the B2B customers?
You see, Tally is a financial accounting software. Any business activity, money is involved. Money coming in, money going out, has to be accounted. So this is the primary that earlier used to write books manually. Now instead that it is computerized, easy, and if you are a finance student, you will know the flow of the entries that you do manually. You write a voucher, the voucher has to be posted into a ledger, then all the ledgers balancing, and then you have to prepare a trial balance, and then profit and balance sheet. Right. Here it is an automation. One voucher entry, your balance sheet is ready. It is getting posted automatically on all the respective places. So that is the ease of working. So it has reduced the manual work. And because of that, the first person to adopt is the chartered accountant.
So what distribution channels do company utilize to reach B2B clients? How do you are approaching to the B2B clients?
Right.
Through which channels?
For us, B2B, B2C, any customer is okay. The channel is, earlier it was door-to-door marketing, going from business to business house. Over a period of time, our main source of referral is, first one is a chartered accountant. Because any business house will have a chartered accountant for their income tax filing.
Yes.
So chartered accountant will require the data in a way where their income tax filing is easy. So they would refer us. They would tell the client to buy Tally, or they will call us and say, so and so of my client wants Tally, please talk to him. That is one strong referral source for us. The second one is tax practitioners or GST practitioners. That means they also do the same job what chartered accountant does, but they are not qualified chartered accountant. By experience, they know what is what. So they have the one. And third one is the accountant himself working in one company, his friend is somebody known people, they want, so that is a community where they keep talking to each other.
Yes.
That's a referral. So these are the three strong referrals. And a business owner himself, of course, he is one. So this is how we reach to them.
So moving on to our pricing strategies, like which pricing model do you use to
Which pricing, in the sense, which pricing you are referring to?
tally software? Pricing?
In purchasing the tally software,
No, it's in selling point of view. If you are
This is a standard software
okay,
which MRP is fixed by the company.
very complex.
Yes.
Okay.
Tally is the product of Tally Solutions Private Limited, Bangalore.
Okay.
It's an Indian company, though people feel because the software is so good and widely used, we feel that it is somewhere MNC company. It is not. It is very much Indian person, Indian software. Sri Bharat Goenkaji and his father SS Goenkaji. SS Goenkaji has passed away. They are the one instrumental in developing this software, and it's a ready-made software. Usually, any other software, if you see, they are customizable for people to keep. See, for you, it is designed, and then if you want it, maybe the design has to be little changed as per the requirement. Here, it is same. One reason is because any accounting for any company is same, debit, credit, nothing, no change.
So actually, even I was thinking Tally might be an MNC company.
Most of the people, they are very much from India. They are from Rajasthan, and they have a philosophy is very clear. They know what is to be done for the society.
So like as you stated now, MRP is the fixed by Tally company itself. So we just you get the same price. But sir, like in this competitive market, like how do you make customers? Like how do you reach out customers and sell your products? Is there any specific strategy which you are using instead of pricing, connecting to the marketing point of view? Like we reach so
See, as I said, pricing is there. It is basically how you are different from others in the market is your service support. That has to be strong. So now if you have seen it, this whole office is only for that one product that we are dealing.
Tally.
Yes, Tally. The team is working for that. So that means you get a support, strong support. It's just not buying the software that is done. Though Tally, most of the people know Tally when they have studied BCom today's date. An accountant, they have learned Tally of their own, or if they are getting into the accounting profession, they know Tally. They may not be doing other softwares, but they know Tally. So that is one. So now to make the better use of Tally, we are there to support them. So that is our different. We are different than others in the market. And how to identify them? As I said, you have already. We have those 4 sources to help us. Plus, we will be in touch with the market. I may not be going today from door to door, but in way back 99, the main job what I used to do is morning 10 o'clock, go with the bag to each street, go and meet business people. Because that time it was not that strong referral channel. So, over a period of time, today, any business house, if you ask, Tally okay in Dava Garage office now, that's it. They may not know me by name, but they would have seen my face. But Dava Garage office, BSNL opposite, so that is the.
So you have already created a brand in the market.
Yes.
Stating. So is there any other branch or?
We have our office in Vijayawada also. My younger brother Silam. As I said, both of us started here. So it was here, and then after a year, we also started in Vijayawada, and he moved to Vijayawada. So it is a head office and a branch office.
So head office is Patnam and branch office is Vijayawada.
Primarily because this started first, so this became a head office. I am the elder brother, so I become the head office. As simple as that.
Yes. So, what are the company's goals and priorities when it serves to the B2B customers?
Can you make it more clear?
So like when we are serving for an B2B company, when we are working in B2B market, so the profit or the loss will be very huge in terms of B2C market. So like how you have set your objectives and goals to maintain that legacy throughout this almost 24 years in that. you are reaching set customers?
One is when you are working in the corporate world, we have it our main company as a kind of Tally solutions. That is the primary. The product is developed by them. We are the one franchisee marketer. Okay. So they have their own goals and they will have a share of the goal to us. Say that these many customers we should add every year by selling the new license. When you sell this software, those many customers are the target. So they will have a target. Say 500 customers I should add in a year, or earlier it was a little more. So this way, that is one goal that we have to reach. Second is, this software is a renewal, upgrade. So buying a software once doesn't mean that you will get upgrade lifelong. So you will be paying 20% of the cost for a period when you want the upgrade, 1 year cost. It's not mandatory. That is the one specialty of our company. Like any other company, antivirus company, see, you don't renew, it doesn't work anymore. Here the software keeps working, but at the current release that you are into, you cannot get an upgrade release till you pay the renewal cost. Okay. So when you pay it for 1 year, it is free. And by now, all these years, we have almost reached 10,000 customer base annually. So keep acquiring those customers, adding 500 new customers. So every year you are growing by 5%.
So is there any alternate software towards Tally? And
there are many in the market. There are hundreds of softwares
so
throughout
like
India.
Tally managing to compete with the other
They say
softwares?
we don't have to manage. We are different from anybody. We don't feel that they are our own competitor. See, the position 1 and the position 2, there is a huge gap. Maybe in the last 2, 3, 4 years, people know that there are other softwares. Earlier, accounting software, synonym is Tally. People do not know. Now, of course, because of the online presence and other things, digital marketing, people do know it. But after buying the software, who is there to support you? This is a product which you just can't buy and use of your own till there is somebody who is assisting you. You need to learn. Then your accountant, if he is stuck somewhere, somebody should be enrolling him. Who does it? For us, learning Tally, now it is being taught in the BCom syllabus. So we are getting our future accountants getting ready there. Right? Enrolling, yes, people like us at every city are available. The channel has been built so strong that today also, if we stop working, maybe another 5 years it will take us to move out of the market.
So, can you name some of your reputed clients at Tally software?
Your people is one using software.
Okay.
Your accounting being maintained in the income is Tally software. Your all your
The
colleges.
service is provided from here?
Yes. Your Gayatri college. So all the colleges that you can name it, all are connected in Tally. Then any business house should pick it up. Shipping company, they are using Tally. Any wholesalers, you will find. Back office accounting would be Tally. Like front office, maybe some other software, if for them as per the business need. That is billing. In Gitam, maybe your fees are not raised through Tally to you. You will have some software. But once the fees are raised, then the accounting has to be done as an income, then goes into Tally.
So like to maintain and background or the back office work, Tally is most required in the financial services.
Yes. Only after Tally, if your business has grown to a still large size, where you feel Tally is still not able to handle your other requirements, then you move to a SAP kind of thing. SAP, you will have to spend at least minimum 20 to 25 lakhs rupees. Tally, you are spending not even 50,000 rupees. So that is the gap that.
Yes, so Tally is everywhere.
Yes, that is the one. Single user of Tally is 22,500 plus GST today, and multi-user is 3 times of it. And then if you have a unique requirement, you can get it customized. You spend another 10, 20, 30,000 on this. You are not even crossing 1 lakh on this.
Yes.
Parallel to this, 20 lakhs rupees is the minimum budget to start a SAP.
Yes.
So that is the, and yes, the software is very, very cheap. If you see the feature wise that it gives. The same software can be used by GitHub. The same software can be used by even a small school here, Pollock School. Same software. The Pollock School is also using the same software. No different within the software.
So like now there are many computer institutions, those who are teaching Tally. So like, are there any clients for you to, or are there any plans to target the computer institutions also?
No, you see, the training is like different game together. Anybody can teach. There are few standard computer institutes or they are teaching it. It's actually benefit for us now. See, if I have more and more people ready for using Tally, my sales process becomes easy. See, when you want to buy the software and you do not know Tally, I have a challenge because if I sell you, you will not be able to use Tally and you will be spreading a bad word about it.
Yes.
But if you know the software, I'm just selling it, my process is becoming easy. Buying a car, either you know the driving or you have the driver. But if you don't have the driver and you do not know, then selling the car becomes a big challenge.
Yes.
Same case with us. And today, very, very few customers I will come across where they say that we do not know Tally, so only if you teach we'll buy.
Okay.
Say that, we'll say that yes, in the market you can go for a training. But I don't have to take the whole responsibility on me.
So have you faced any challenges during these years, like which you felt very tough?
So like changing an Indian mindset is something like kind of a rocket science you can say, because as even now, as you mentioned, Windows have been used many client versions. So changing that mindset of people and getting the people on track, so that might be one of the biggest challenges.
Yeah,
So
the
how did you overcome it?
Yeah, actually the challenge is where, now, see the first challenge that we had was shifting from your manual accounting to computerized. We have been able to do that. Having done that, now as a business owner, are you using my software or your accountant alone is using it? When we interact with them, they say, my accountant is going to use the software, please talk to him. If that is only going to happen, my growth is limited there. Now, if the business owner get into that, then he would require more and more recruitings. It's not simple. See, all the businesses, they will be selling on credit. Now, the accountant will know that, okay, sir, this is on credit and this is cash. So, these are the people where we have to collect the money. Now, if the owner get into that, now he will say me that, okay, these are the 100 parties where I have to own the money. Now, these 100 parties, if I have to classify, this is the people who only 1 week is due, that was I sold only in the last week, only 1 week have passed. Certain people 2 weeks, certain people 1 month, 3 months. So the people where the 3 months is due, that is an agency that he should ask for the money, not the one where it is only 1 week. If he doesn't know that he will be calling anybody and says money is due. So how do you feel when somebody say money is due when it is only 1 week and when it is 3 months? So if he can know that information, so he should come forward and ask, I want the report this way, not just one simple list. Everything is possible from Tally, but the accountant's headache is not the collection. Collection is owner's headache. Owner is not getting into this. So how to make the better use of the software? I just told you this, a very one simple, there will be thousands of such things.
Yes.
When a sale is happening,
Yes.
you three are the people, sales force for me. Now, today's sale, who has done? You have done, or who you have done? At given point of time, if I have to know, how should I know? That means when this sale bill is raised, I should be able to track the executive name. Then in a month, I will be able to show you that these are the 10 sales only you have done it. These are the 100 sales you have done it. So comparison between these different people. If that is there, then tomorrow the promotions, accordingly I will be able to judge why I should give her a better promotion than you. Honor will have this figure vaguely, but he will not have it. Today technology is available. Each rupee he should be able to count.
Yes, yes.
So only if the honor get into it, this will happen. Now these GST returns, so they are all tricky things. The honor should understand and he should get into that. The software can give them the solution only when they start discussing.
Yes.
Otherwise, whose requirement is what? How do I know? Right. So that is the challenge. Now currently we are facing it. We are not able to make the honor involved in this. The moment we talk, saying we are from Tally, say, oh, talk to my accountant. So accountant is not running the business. Accountant is not getting excited by seeing those profits, loss numbers. It is the owner who is getting excited. So I have to talk to him, asking what is your challenge, what information do you require. Only when he open up the opportunity for me to develop my software and give it to the market. That is what my business will.
Yes.
Okay. The box package software will have my limited growth. So that is the challenge currently that we are into.
Sir, as you said, you will customize according to the organization's needs and requirements. How are you differentiate them, like these organizations want this kind of customization?
The business would require that. The owner feels that this information is required. If I given you credit, there would be some business for them the credit is not a challenge. Then I am talking about the credit to them has no meaning. If your challenge is not the credit, then what is your challenge if you speak saying I am not getting this information, lack of this information, I am not able to take some business decisions. It is also inventory.
Yes.
Okay. Now inventory, you buy an item today and you are selling tomorrow. Parallel, you buy an item today and it is in their godown for 6 months and not getting sold. If I can show you that, then you decide whether how much quantity to buy an item which is taking longer time, how much to buy which is fast moving,
Yes.
how often you should buy. If it is fast money, then you should be placing the order well in advance. So this information, the owner will take a decision. How do he know? That with his experience, he may know some certain things, but the software will tell you clearly, point to point. So you may be feeling that it is 100 species you are selling, but that one is a difference. So that is getting into any operations with regard to your accounts or inventory, we can address it. The only thing is discussions should happen, and in that process he should come up with the challenges that he is facing. What kind of report he wants which he is not getting from the software.
Thank you, sir, for giving us this opportunity, and we have many insights to this.
Most welcome. Thank you for putting me the questions where I can open my mind to you.
Yes, we learned a lot. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Welcome.